If I were an orc, even just for a day, I'd wake up speaking like a hooligan, kitbash what I wanted, then go. I'd pick fights with the Nids, and I'd chase after town. I'd kick silly demons, and I would shoot Necrons for kicks, 'cause I'd smash Eldar for free. If I were an orc, I wouldn't have to understand how any of it works. I swear I'd be the end of man. I'd listen to Mork or Gork, 'cause I know we will fight. Even when I lose a battle, I am never beaten, 'cause everything around me got destroyed. If I were an orc, I'd be a Mekamaniak. Fix everything that's broken, 'cause I won't be fighting alone. I'd paint the truck red, and I'd sing blues for luck, 'cause I know that I'm a handful, waiting for me to cry Waaagh. To cry Waaagh! If I were an orc, I wouldn't have to understand how any of it works. I swear I'd be the end of man. I'd listen to Mork or Gork, 'cause I know we will fight. Even when I lose a battle, I am never beaten, 'cause everything around me got destroyed. It's a little too late for me to be green-skinned. I was born a mistake. You think I'd forgive the Emperor for that? You thought I'd be a space marine. You thought wrong. But I'm just a boy. I still want to understand how it feels to have green skin. Someday I wish I were the end of man. I don't listen to Mork or Gork, and I don't want to fight. Even if I win the battle, I am still beaten, 'cause everything I have got destroyed. That's why I want to be an orc.